Welcome to court, you clowns. Let's get this over with. Beep, beep, Fleagle, I drank all the mouthwash. I don't care, sit the hell down. Fleagle, what's the point of having court? To address issues like why Drooper is scared of Kraft Heinz Cool Whip circa 1966. Beep, beep, shut your non-existent mouth. Hi, ladies. Get the hell out, no one likes you. You like me. When did I say that? At our wedding when you said I do. Oh, you think you're so smart? Sit the hell down. On it, hubby. Order in the court. Today we must address What the hell was that? Snorky, what the hell was that? He's got the hiccups. Well, what am I supposed to do about it? Well, we should scare him. Well, that's easy. Bingo's mom. I've got a plan. Here, Snorky, drink this. I've been saving Drooper's tears in a jar for the past 7 months. Just 7? Yay, I'm cured.